friends, welcome to my humble homestead. Are you tired of the endless cycle of weight loss struggles? Do you find yourself eating your feelings, whether you're happy, sad, or stressed? What if I told you that I've discovered a life-changing solution that not only saves you time and money, but also helps you shed those extra pounds? I'm talking from experience here. Join me as we explore the powerful connection between meal prep and emotional well-being and unlock the keys to a healthier and happier you. No gimmicks, no memberships required, no supplement to buy, just wholesome foods and meal prep. Stay tuned. Meal prep is often associated with physical health, and for good reason. It can help us eat nutritious food, save money, and avoid last-minute takeout. But what about its impact on our emotional well-being? I want to explore how meal prep can affect your mental health, how meal prep can affect your mental health, and why it's just as important as our physical health. When we're struggling with our emotional well-being, it's easy to turn to comfort food or quick fixes that can actually exacerbate the problem. Stress and anxiety can lead to poor nutrition. I'm speaking from firsthand experience, people, which in turn can worsen our mental health. It's a vicious cycle that can be hard to break. We're not just talking about feeling a little blue. We're talking about debilitating anxiety, depression, and other serious mental illnesses. You hear so much about mental health today, and many of us know what it's like to feel overwhelmed, stuck, and unsure how to make changes. It has been proven that nutrition plays a big role in our mental health. But how can we make those healthy choices when we're already feeling drained? Poor nutrition can perpetuate feelings of fatigue, irritability, and low mood, making it even harder to make positive changes. It's like trying to climb out of a really deep hole without a ladder. We need something to hold on to, something to give us a boost. So what I've found is meal prep can be that boost. In theory, it sounds so simple, and it can be simple. And on the other hand, it sounds like it's so overwhelming. But that's why I just try to show how you can just take small amounts of time here and there and meal prep and do simple things. I have playlists on it. I'll link some playlists below, and you can try to find easy, fast meal preps that work for you. And by having healthy meals prepared in advance, we can avoid relying on those unhealthy convenience foods and take control of our nutrition. We can choose ingredients that nourishes our bodies and minds and feel more confident in our ability to make positive choices. With meal prep, we can take back control of our health and well-being. And I found when I have the meals prepared and they're portioned out, not only has it helped me feel better, but the weight has just been dropping off. One of the biggest benefits of meal prep is the time it saves us when we're feeling stressed and overwhelmed. The last thing we want to do is spend hours cooking in the kitchen. With meal prep, we can cook in bulk, do it one time, one and done, clean. It can be easy. I use my Instant Pot, my slow cooker. It just makes life so much simpler, and have healthy meals ready to go, which gives us back that precious time and energy to focus on our mental health and other things. Plus, meal prep can help reduce stress and anxiety by giving us a sense of control and structure. Two things that are often missing when we do struggle struggle with different mental health issues. When we meal prep, we're not just preparing food, we're preparing ourselves for a better day. We're giving ourselves the nourishment to tackle and the confidence to make positive changes. I've seen it firsthand when I make healthy food choices. I feel so much better and energized. Just physically, it just makes such a big difference in my life. Motivated, capable of handling whatever life throws my way. And I just have so much more energy because I'm not spending that extra time cooking. And, it's easy just to throw something in and heat it up and it's ready to go. So I've always struggled with some anxiety, and I would often find myself stuck in that cycle of negativity and self-doubt. But when I started making sure that I had the right foods, giving my body what it needs, just checking out the kitties over there, giving my body what it needs, everything changed. I began to feel more confident, more energized, physically energized a lot because the weight is also coming off, and that makes a big difference. More capable of dealing with life situations and stresses and just even the anxiety of things, like with family and my mom and the squirrel brain and all the things, just dealing with that stuff head on. It's not a magic fix, but it is a crucial step in my journey to better health. Whole body healing and wholeness. Physical, mental, spiritual, it all goes together, and it starts with what we're putting in our bodies. So anything that we can do to help makes a big difference. And I know that meal prepping has been one big deal that has changed my life. And it also gave me the energy and the confidence to start making other positive changes. I just think back years ago, I could barely get out of bed and do things, and just eating the right things and giving your body what it needs. The fact that I can work full time, not only work full time, but also have a YouTube channel as well, and then do the meal prep. And I do take it a little step further, where I try to either grow my food or source it out so that I, can it and preserve my food too. I know that's not 100% what y'all have to do. We just try to, get the healthiest products that we do. It wasn't easy and it wasn't overnight, but the progress I made was incredible, and still making. It is a progress, and I'm still losing weight. I still work on my health. Y'all know I still have the headaches and stuff. I feel great today, but I know it's what I put in my body that makes a big difference. I have began to feel like myself again, happy, motivated, and capable of achieving my goals, which is huge. And I just want that for you too. I know I've heard stories of people that really struggle with emotional eating, and it is a big deal. And so not to have to worry about what we're going to eat all the time, because we have it prepped, and just focus on other things in our lives that we have to do. To conclude about meal prep, it is so much more than just being healthy and just a healthy habit. It is a key to unlocking better emotional and physical well-being. By taking control of our nutrition, we take control of our mental health and our whole body wellness. By making healthy choices, we can break free from that cycle of poor nutrition, emotional eating, and worsening mental health. Since it's been such a big topic in today's world, it's so important for me to really give our body what it needs so it can heal the way God has designed it to heal. And I believe that nutrition and feeding our body with what it needs is the number one way that we can walk in holistic health and natural healing. And that is what my passion is and what it's about. That's why I put such an emphasis on meal prep. It's like if I could shout it from the rooftop. I know some people think it's not that big of a deal, but it makes such a big difference because we can control what we're putting in our bodies and save so much time and money because we're not just running to the store all the time. Remember, it's, that meal prep is not just about food. It's about the confidence, the energy, and the motivation that it gives us to live our best lives. So thanks for watching, everybody. I just wanted to share this with you. I've been working on some different videos. In this video below, I'm going to link some meal prep lists that you can go through and just watch those videos and write down the recipes or take out what looks easy and good for you to make for you and your families. If you have a meal prep story to share or some ideas for all of us, please leave it in the comments below because it's so helpful to all of us. And if you're new here, please be sure to subscribe. It really does help my channel and I appreciate it. That will also, get you into some more healthy recipes and ideas and some more well-being tips, some natural products that we like to make for cleaning and body care. All of those will be in the description, as well as Let Thy Food Be Thy Medicine. That is a great list too, to heal your body with food. Don't forget to check out my next video for some more great content coming up. All right, everybody, thanks so much for watching. Be blessed and remember, you are loved. Bye.